Definitely.
No, I don't think two wrongs make a right, and I think that that's just, I mean, it's kind of childish. Like, oh, you did that to me, so I'm gonna do it back to you. Like,
They say an eye for an eye makes the world go blind, but a negative times a negative is positive. So if she cheats and I cheat, it's a positive thing.
Okay, you could cheat. If you cheat, that's cool. You cheated. I find out. We go our separate ways. But if you embarrass me and make it like real bad, then we might have some comebacks.
No, never.
So I don't believe in cheating in the first place. Neither do I believe in revenge cheating, almost to the point. You're always just wasting your time. If someone cheats you, just deal with it, move on.
I feel like if you cheat on me, that's your issue. If I cheat on you and then we end up back together, like, I feel like that's gonna bring new problems into the relationship. So tit for tat, that's not me. That's childish, in my opinion.
I don't work like that. Like,
I wouldn't like go out there and be like, oh, let me look for somebody to sleep with or do something with because you did it to me first. Like, no, that's crazy.
I might have to come back with a get back, like sleep with her best friend or I don't know, something I know is gonna hurt.
Well, who's that helping?
I couldn't revenge cheat.
No. Revenge is for God. Let me say that. If you cheat on me, it's over. So there's no reason to do it back. Like,
You don't want to cheat on someone and get a disease because of it. That's free syphilis, you know? You don't want free syphilis. Just get syphilis. Don't get free ones. You know what I'm saying?